Cultivating culinary herbs is a delightful way to elevate your cooking by infusing fresh and vibrant flavors into your dishes. Whether you have a spacious garden, a small balcony, or even just a sunny windowsill, growing your own herbs allows you to access a wide range of aromatic and flavorful ingredients right at your fingertips. Here's how you can enhance your cooking with fresh herb cultivation. 1. Select the right herbs. Choose herbs that you frequently use in your cooking and that thrive in your growing conditions. Common culinary herbs include basil, mint, rosemary, thyme, oregano, parsley, cilantro, chives, and sage. Each herb has its unique flavor profile, so consider your preferences and the types of dishes you enjoy making. 2. Provide adequate sunlight. Most culinary herbs prefer full sunlight, so ensure that your chosen growing location receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. If you're growing indoors, place your herbs near a sunny window or use grow lights to provide sufficient light. 3. Choose the right containers. Select containers that are appropriately sized for the herbs you're growing. Ensure the containers have drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Terracotta pots, plastic pots, wooden boxes, and hanging baskets can all work well for growing herbs. 4. Use quality potting mix. Use a well-draining potting mix specifically designed for container gardening. This will provide good aeration and drainage for your herbs' root systems. 5. Watering. Herbs generally prefer evenly moist soil. Water the plants when the top inch of the soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Make sure the containers have good drainage to prevent water from accumulating at the bottom. 6. Fertilization. Herbs don't usually require heavy fertilization. 7. Pruning and harvesting. Regularly prune and harvest your herbs to encourage bushier growth and maintain their flavor. Pinch off the tips of the stems to encourage branching. Harvest the leaves just before they start to flower for the best flavor. 8. Companion planting. Some herbs are excellent companions for other plants, as they can deter pests or improve growth. For example, planting basil near tomatoes can help deter certain pests that affect tomatoes. 9. Indoor herb garden. If you're growing herbs indoors, ensure proper air circulation and humidity levels. You might need to supplement with artificial lighting if natural light is limited. 10. Drying and preserving. Preserve your herb harvest by drying them. Hang small bundles of herbs in a dry, dark, and well-ventilated area until they are fully dried. Store the dried herbs in airtight containers away from direct sunlight. 11. Flavor combinations. Experiment with combining different herbs to create unique flavor profiles. For example, a blend of rosemary, thyme, and oregano can add depth to roasted vegetables or meats, while a mix of basil, parsley, and chives can brighten up salads. 12. Explore beyond cooking. Culinary herbs aren't just limited to the kitchen. Some herbs, like lavender and mint, can be used to make herbal teas or infuse beverages. By cultivating culinary herbs, you not only enhance the flavors of your dishes, but also connect more deeply with your food and its source. The act of nurturing and harvesting your herbs can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience that adds a fresh dimension to your culinary creations.